Assalamualaikum and good morning to Sir Sayuti. So today I and WENRUI will explain to you about lab 9, which is this lab asks us to make expression in the Matlab. So for part A, this is how the expression I make. It's supposed to write in common window, but I put the expression in editor window, so it will be easier for me to present it to Sir. So for A, it's style for exponent bracket 2 bracket, it's meaning that it's exponential with the power of 2, and B is it is exponential with power of 3, and then for C it's log exponent 1 plus log B, which is it's tell that log with base of exponential 1 plus log base of exponential 3. And then for D is log 10 exponential 1 plus log 10b. It's meaning that log with the base of 10 and with log exponential 10 with base of 10 plus log exponent 3 with base of 10. And then you also ask if we need to find pi in Matlab, we need to write the expression with the word of pi. It will state the value of pi, and then f to find cos bracket pi divided by 4, and then for g exponential power of 3 times square root 131, which is sqrt is meaning for square root. And then I think that's all for part A. So for part B, uh, the lab report given us to find the hypotenuse for value of A and B. So this is the expression, which is square root A power of 2 plus B power of 2. So when I run it, I will get 5. Oh sorry, for part A, when I run it, this is how the result that I got. And then for part C, we need to find the sum and the average of 3 values of number, which is the value is given in the lab report, which is A equal to 35, B equal to 21, C equal to 13. So when I run this part, I will get the sum is 69, and then the average is 23. So for question number 4, the question given in the lab asks us to find the total amount of interest and monthly installment payment, which is the car price is 90,000 and the interest rate is 0.027, and total period of the interest is 7 years. So total amount of interest equal to car price times with interest rate times with total period, and we'll get the total amount of interest. And then for monthly installment payment, it's car price plus with the total amount of interest divided by total period, which is 7, times by 12 months. So when I run this question for this script, I will get total amount of interest is 70,000, 10 and 10. Monthly installment payment 1.2739 E plus 03. So for question number 5, the question given in the lab report asks me to find the investment that Africa made for 5 years, which is from 2015 until 2020. So initial investment that Africa made is 10,000, and then the years of the investment is 5 years, and then Africa monthly saving equal to 100, and we can find the Africa yearly saving equal to Africa monthly saving, which is 100 times with 12 months. And then ASB dividend per year that given by ASB, which is 8.5%, and then the increment rate per year, which is 1 plus ASB dividend per year. 1 represent the initial investment, so then we can calculate the investment for 5th year, which is 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year and 5th year. For the first year, we take the initial investment, which is 10,000, plus with Africa yearly saving, which is 100 times with 12, and then we times with the increment rate per year. And then for the second year, we use the value from the first year, and the third year we use the value from the second year. Fourth year we use the value from the third year, and the fifth year we use the value from the fourth year. And then we can find the total investment, which is the last investment, which is the fifth year, equal to investment of the fifth year. Because the question asks us to find investment that Africa made for 5 years. So when I run this script, I will get the total investment equal to 2.27y1e plus 04. That's all for me. Thank you.
I'm WENRUI from Group 2, matrix number B0x20100011. Now I'm going to show how I evaluate the expression and code the program in Lab 9 by using this Matlab application. For part A, the procedure asks us to evaluate this expression by using command window. But in this video, I type the expression in editor window. This is because it is more easier for me to present. So here we run the simulation, and then we get all the values of this expression. So I do a simple explanation. So for exp, it means exponent. Inside the bracket means the power. So for A expression is exponent to the power of 2. And then for C, the log exponent 1, the log represent to the log base exponent. So the log exponent 1 base exponent, and then the log b base exponent. So for another case, there is a log base 10. So we type the 10 after the log. It means the base log exponent base 10. So for the value of pi, just type pi for pi. And then the sqrt for square root, which is third. So that's all from part A. And then for part B, it asks to find hypotenuse. So we use the function hypo, and then the value of A and B is given. So the answer will be the 5. For part C, it asks us to find the average. So we run the simulation again. So by using this program, we can ask the reading, ask the value, ask the input from user. So for example, I input the A as 35, B as 21, C as 13. So I get the sum of these three numbers is 69, and then the average is 23. So that's all from part C. And then we proceed to question 4. The question 4, it asks us to find the monthly installment. So we run the simulation again, and then we get the monthly installment is 1,279 ringgit and 90 cents. So we have to assign the loan amount which is given, and then the loan period, and then the interest rate. So this total interest rate is calculated for 7 years. So the total interest amount for 7 years is this amount, and then we want to find the monthly installment. We have to divide 7 years, which is 84 months. So we have to pay this amount each month. And then we proceed to question 5. In question 5, it asks us to calculate the total investment amount from 2015 until 2020. So this is my idea. So the initial investment is 10,000. The years of investment is 5 years, which is from 2015 until the 2020. So Afika is save the money for 100 for every month. So that means the yearly saving, that means you save for a year is monthly saving times 12. The dividend per year given by the ASB is 8.5%. So I do an increment rate per year. That means this is 1 plus dividend per year. That means 1 plus 8.5%. This one indicate the original or the base money from initial investment. So the first year investment money is initial investment plus the yearly saving times with increment rate per year. That is for first year investment. So in this line we can get the total amount of investment Afika gets. So for second year, it keep using the previous year to adding the yearly saving, which is the 1,200, and then we times with the rate again, and then we get a new value for second year, and then the third year we keep adding for previous investment money. So until the 2020, which is the fifth year. So we keep adding all the dividend, all the monthly saving, and then finally we want to find the fifth year. So the total investment which is assigned to the investment for fifth year. So we can find out that the answer will be 22,751 ringgit Malaysia. So this is what Afika have. So that's all for me regarding in this lab 9. So thank you.